and welcome back to Blue Ocean English. This is the second video in a series called How to Really Learn Pronunciation. In this video I will show you the phonemic chart, the symbols that we use for all the sounds in English, and we'll start looking at the groups on the chart. So today we will look at the first group on the chart. So let's get started. Here you can see the phonemic chart. There are 44 symbols that represent all the sounds we use when we speak English. So in theory, if you can make all of these sounds correctly, then you can say a word perfectly. You can learn to say any word perfectly. And this is the real power of this chart. The secret that it gives you, the power it gives you, is that you can read and write the perfect pronunciation. So you can remember it, you can write it down, and you can remember it, use it later. But when you can see it perfectly in written form, it becomes powerful because you can learn to say it perfectly. Any word. So before we look in detail at the chart, there are some important things to say. The first thing is these symbols are for the pronunciation of words. They're not connected to the spelling of a word. There's no connection. Some of the symbols are the same as the letters in the alphabet. Many of the consonants are, but they are not connected to the spelling. This is about the sounds of English. So each symbol represents a sound. I'll show you with some examples. So this symbol here, this is for the A sound, like apple or cat, bat, sat, A. Or this symbol here is A, and we use it in words like but, up, cup, shut. Or this one here, this symbol is for the oo sound. So we use it with words like to, or shoe, or new. So there you can see just quickly how a few symbols work. So they're for the sounds that we use when we speak English. So you can see that the chart is divided into three parts. There are three groups of symbols. So the first group is called single vowel sounds. Single means one. So these 12 symbols are all symbols that have one sound. Single vowel sounds. A vowel is A, E, I, O, or U. The next group is called double vowel sounds. Double means two. So these are for sounds that have two sounds, but they are still vowels. So the A, E, I, O, U sound still, but they are double. There are two. In the double vowel sound group, there are 8 symbols. And then in the consonant group, the biggest, there are 24 consonant sounds in this group. A consonant is a letter that is not a vowel. So you can see that many of the symbols are the same as letters. There are a few that are a bit different, but many of them you can recognize. So let's start looking at the first group of sounds. So these, as I said, are the single vowel sounds. So here we have all the 12 symbols for the single vowel sounds. Each symbol has 2 words in English that use this sound. So underneath each symbol you can see 2 words that use the sound. So let's look at the first one. This is the sound E, like sheep or me. Next to the I symbol you have 2 dots here. These 2 dots mean that it is a long sound. For example, green is a very long sound. Me, E, long sound. The next sound is I. So this is a short sound, not a long sound. It doesn't have two dots. And the words here, ship and busy. So I. The third sound is like good or put. The fourth sound is oo, like moon or grew. These four sounds together, I, oo. Let's move down to the second line. And the first symbol, like bed or said. The next symbol, America, about. This symbol is the most common symbol in English. You will see it everywhere. The third symbol is like bird or work. And the fourth symbol is or, like door or saw. You can see these two symbols are both long symbols. So these four together, or. And the third line, we've got like cat or apple. And then like up or money, and then like car or and the last one, like not or what. Those four together is o. So let's go through all 12. The first one, a long sound, I, oo, or, o. Okay, so that's all the symbols in the single vowel sound group. Let me just show you some more words with the long sounds with the two dots. So you can see the different symbols we have with the two dots. These can be a big problem for many people. So listen to how long these sounds are. E, like green. Oo, like new. Like word. Or, like door. Like car. They're very, very long sounds. They're much longer than you probably think. Now I'll just quickly show you how we would write some complete words using all of the phonetic symbols, so you get an idea of how they work together. And we'll use some words that have the long vowel sounds just for our examples. So we saw the word green. So if we write the word green using phonetic symbols, it would look like this. And we use these two symbols at the start and the end of the phonetic writing so that it shows people we are using phonetics. Another word that we could write, let's choose daughter. So if we write daughter in phonetic symbols, it would look like this. So we have a D and then the OR sound and then T, like America. If we choose star, so we have S and T from the consonants and then R, the R sound. So it would be written like this. Okay, that's the end of today's video. In this video we looked at the phonemic chart and I showed you the single vowel sound group. In the next video we'll look at the double vowel sounds and I'll show you some examples of words and how to write using the double vowel sounds. Thank you for watching and good luck. Just another typical summer day here in England. before I leave you with the song, it's just me doing everything here at Blue Ocean English. So if you like what I'm doing and you want to support my channel, please like, share, comment or subscribe. I also have books available to buy on Amazon. There is An Ocean of English Phrasal Verbs and An Ocean of English Idioms. 3 books in each series, all with hundreds of phrasal verbs or idioms, and each with 3 clear examples and a picture to help you understand. And I also have An Ocean of English Pronunciation, with everything you need to learn fantastic English pronunciation. That's all from me. Thank you for watching, and wherever you are, try to feel English today.
Pocket full of honey and I'm ready to go. No, I ain't got no money, but I'm letting you know that I'ma love you like a fool. Breathe you in till I hallucinate. Body make you silly, make you do what I want. Oh baby, I can make it pretty, I can string you along, but I'ma love you like a fool. Breathe you in till I hallucinate. No, I couldn't live without your touch. No, I could never have too much. I'll breathe you in forever, never hallucinate. I hallucinate when you call my name. Got stars in my eyes, and they don't fade when you come my way. I'm losing my mind, mind. I hallucinate when you call my name. Got stars in my. Put you in my Hall of Fame, middle of the wall. Yeah, you're my one, my favorite, my ride or die. Oh, yeah, I'ma love you like a fool. Breathe you until I hallucinate. No, I couldn't live without your touch. No, I could never have too much. I'll breathe you in forever, never hallucinate. I hallucinate when you call my name. Got stars in my eyes, and they don't fade when you come my way. I'm losing my mind, mind. I hallucinate when you call my name. Got stars in my. Wanna be right where you are. Let's go dancing in the dark. Don't wait, you can push the start. Lose control. Kill me slowly with your kiss. Wrap me around your fingertips. Damn, I need another hit. Make me lose my mind. I hallucinate when you call